1997 Nissan Maxima front outer door handle removal. To do this job, you'll need information on removing the inner door panel and also the front window. These are covered in other videos. Recommended tools will be a 10mm, a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim tool. We also used a 6-inch extension. Start by removing the inner actuator rod cover. This 10mm fastener is the lowest fastener for this cover. Then there's another one located here. The third one is located at the top here, and with it removed, you can now remove the cover. Remove this access cover simply by peeling it off. This 10mm fastener holds the lower part of the window run channel in. Remove this fastener. With this fastener removed, you can now pull down and remove the rear window run channel. You can now remove the rear actuator rod transmission. You can just unclip the actuator rods from these plastic clips here like this and pull them free. Then remove this 10mm fastener. With the fastener removed, you can remove the actuator rod transmission assembly. Inside the door, on the back of the driver's door handle, there's another clip located here that needs to be disconnected. We used a flathead screwdriver for this. Remove this access cover simply by peeling it off. You now have access to the two 10mm fasteners holding the back of the driver's door handle in place. Remove those fasteners now. There's an additional actuating rod that needs to be disconnected from the lock assembly. Once again, we used a flathead screwdriver. You can now remove the lock assembly by pushing it through from the outside. With the lock assembly removed, pull up on the driver's door handle and you can now remove it from the door.